there it runs again. I've implemented my plt.show, and as I said, it's quite heavy on memory. Oh, shucks. Temporary failure in name resolution. Something broke there. So let's just see if we can. Oh, okay. So that was an actual. My pandas is pretty. That's weird. I should have downloaded my actual. I'm just going to say plt.close.
I think because you commented out your import pandas are PD.
No, it's not commented out. You see, it should actually. It should download that data set from GitHub. Anyway, don't worry too much about it. You did see all of those, all the figures. There we go again. So anyway, it's only plotting 12 of the 14 now, but don't worry too much about it. You are very good Python programmers now at this stage. So here is the plot within the other one that I talked about earlier. See, very nicely. It's very, very strong package. So the one gives a zoom on the other. If you have a plot within another plot, you can very nicely see that the interactive feature works on both. Okay, so here is the different sizes of subplots. I'm going to actually put data in here. I think it might be the one that crashed. Anyway, here is the text displayed at different places. You'll see that it's actually very, very easy to read the code. This is everything displayed in. I think it's Radiance. Yeah. Again, this is custom legend layout. This is the sub columns that I talked about earlier. Showed you